Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Burris. I am the Vice President of Transportation Relationships for dexFreight. We're happy to be here to demo for you today. Give a little introduction. You know, sometimes that people say the time or history tends to repeat itself. Sometimes that's good, sometimes it's not so good. But the reality is today, I think we're failing again as an industry. The reason I say that is there's a torrent of capital flowing into this space, but it's not being used to address what we believe is the fragmentation that is the root of our inefficiencies. In fact, I would say today that we probably are creating more silos than we were before. Now today we have a technology that allows to address these concerns, and it does so by collaboration. That technology is blockchain, and it is all about collaboration. But dexFreight is a blockchain-based platform that allows shippers, carriers, brokers, and other stakeholders in the supply chain to collaborate more transparent, more secure, and more efficiently. And so with that, I will turn it over to Adrian, and you can take it away.
Thank you, Chris. My name is Rajat Razmandari. I'm the CEO, co-founder of dexFreight, and with me is Adrian Giannini. He's our CTO. dexFreight being a platform, our first play is creating a marketplace for spot truckload. And what we do in that marketplace is, as you can see, all the shipment listing that is added by you as a shipper using your TMS or manually. So as you are adding the shipments, it automatically connects with the right carriers. There's a machine learning algorithm running in the back, and then the carriers see the same thing on their side as well. And so this is a document. So if you're onboarding a new carrier, then you can see their past performance, safety, and other performance-related information, and then the carriers can see the same thing on the shipper side, the credit history, and all that. So once they've agreed on the payment terms and performance terms, we encode them in a smart contract, and the smart contract basically ensures that the payment terms and performance terms have not been tampered with or cannot be tampered with after the fact. Even we cannot tamper with that information. So you can see on the top is what we call proof of integrity of documents that have been submitted as part of your contract process. The second part is the smart contract, and you can see the digital hash of the smart contract. And there's the signature from shipper and carrier. It's a digital signature. So that's all built on the public blockchain. You can see the shipment details here. And when it comes to payment, you can choose whatever preferred payment method you prefer. It could be PayPal, ACH transfer, credit card. Any of those can be used, and you can even link your bank account to pay. And one of the good things is you can either trigger the payment by yourself, or the smart contract can trigger the payment automatically. And that means you don't have to wait for the invoice to come in, and don't have to worry about errors in the invoice or PODs. This is a list of invoices, and that is in your profile. And you can see in the invoice list, there's something called a quick pay. We call it dexFi. This is a world's first decentralized financing tool that we're building, and by which the carriers can get paid instantly with a simple click. And to do that, we're partnering with world's top blockchain companies like MakerDAO, EtherRisk, Rootstock, and Centrifuge. For some reason, we call that a Justice League. So we're partnering with that to bring that into the platform. dexFreight is also a token-powered platform. What that means is we use the tokens to reward and incentivize positive behavior in the platform. What that means is as you add load, pick up a load on time, drop off a load on time, we reward you with Dex miles. You can even reward your contractors with that. And you can, as you accumulate those rewards, that can be used to buy discounts on other services in the platform. And even further, as you accumulate more Dex miles, you can use that to buy equity into our company, which is a very game changer. It's very new concept that we're bringing to the table with our security token infrastructure. We also have a mobile app, and the mobile app is used for proof of pickup and proof of delivery directly into the smart contract. There are other features like chat features, equipment assignment, shipment assignment, and one of the cool things that we're building is to allow the carriers to pay their drivers instantly as they're driving, which is very new. We understand not many of you will use the feature, but the smart contract can automatically trigger those payments as they're driving. It could be per hour, per mile, per 10 miles, however you set up those milestones to be. We don't want to be, we're an open platform, so we encourage you to come and build services on top of us. So that could be insurance, ELD services, and others. So we didn't want to build this platform in a vacuum, so we opened up the platform for early adopters program a month ago, and within 3 weeks we had 50 companies sign up, including some big names like IMC Companies, which is the largest drayage company in the United States, and auto manufacturer, which shall name anonymous at the moment. Thank you very much for listening, and this is your platform, and we're allowing you to do, unlock new business models and innovation on top of our platform. So come and join us, and I think we can change the future of logistics. Thank you.